the IBP, no, nung mangyari po itong skandalo na to, the 27 Board of Governors, came up with the resolution creating the Good Governance Council. So ang purpose na po nito, no, prior to the creation of the Independent Commission of the Infrastructure, is to conduct an investigation on the basis of the evidence that we can gather along the way, no? So we are very happy that the ICI reached out to us and decided to have a memorandum of agreement with their office because, as we all know, the ICI has just been created and wala pa gaano silang tao. So we can provide the necessary legal support that they need. So one of which is actually the establishment of an anti-corruption help desk throughout the country. So we have 84 chapters around the country, no? So we'll be having a help desk that purposely to assist the public in reporting any irregular or anomalous activities involving government-funded infrastructure projects. Then alongside, pag na-report po yun, meron po tayong team, no, na bubuuin who will actually validate the report. Okay. So pangatlo po is to recommend the appropriate cases or action to be taken by the ICI, no, against those who will be eventually found out upon investigation, no, kung ano po yung kanilang participation, and that we will also assist the ICI in the drafting of civil, criminal, and even administrative cases against those individuals or group of individuals whom we may found later on to be probably liable for the case.
One final question, Attorney. There are those who are concerned that the body, the ICI, has no teeth. Is a law necessary to be passed by the legislature so that to give it more powers?
I think because if it involves corruptions, kasi no, corruptions and any cases pertaining to government officials, normally it's the Office of the Ombudsman who initiate, no, or who filed these cases against these personalities. I believe the ICI will be working hand in hand also with the Ombudsman because all the findings eventually will be referred, I believe, to the Office of the Ombudsman, no? Kumbaga, ma'am, ang gagawin ng ICI is tutulungan, papabilisan yung investigasyon, makahanap ng solid na investigation since the ICI is under the executive. So it would be easy to gather evidence like, for instance, the DPWH, which is under the executive. So yung cooperation po ng ating mga relevant government offices may be expected in this particular endeavor. So
no longer necessary, you're saying?
Oh, yeah, it is what we call this, mas madalis or mas mapabilis po yung pag-facilitate or pag-case build up. Then eventually, if it decides to file the cases, so it should be done in the proper forum. So it might be, of course, to the Office of the Ombudsman for those government officials, which will, depending on the jurisdiction, sa regular court ba or sa sandigan bayan.